Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the different input types in the text field in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called MyApp. This is the MyApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomepage. This is the myHomepage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomepage_state. This is _myHomepage_state class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, first, we call the scaffold widget, which is the base, upon which we will draw other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we use our title variable as the title of this app bar. Then we set the body attribute to the container widget to implement some margins. In the container widget, we have a single child scroll view widget. This widget will help us have a scroll view in our app. Inside the scroll view, we have a column widget. Inside this column, we will keep all our text fields. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as the name. We use the sized box to have some distance between two text fields. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as phone. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as URL. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as the email address. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as a number. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as text. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as the street address. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as date and time. In this text field, we keep the keyboard type as multi-line. Here we set the max lines attribute to 3. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement the different input types in the text fields in Flutter Android. Thank you.